Right, so here it is, all prepped, masked, ready to come in tomorrow. Put some paint on it. Got to take the fuel cap out and mask that out. But there she is. I built it in white. The grey is etched where I just cut through to the metal. The creamy beige there, that's stone chip. I stone chipped it there because whoever put new rear inner arches on had stone chipped the fuck out of it, and I couldn't get it smooth, and I weren't going to tap it with filler, so I've just re-stone chipped it again, halfway up the A pillar, B pillar, just there where the doors, so you won't really see it because it's where the doors are bolted on. Engine bay, we'll paint that once we change the engine, which will be later in the year or next year. It's currently got a 1.4 CVH in it. Same that side. Skirt's a bit wonky that side. Tried my hardest to get it straight. Couldn't get it straight. So it is screwed and bonded on, but nothing I could do about that. So obviously where it's been in the person who I got them off, been in their shed or whatever, things on them or bent up. Yeah, all masked out with paper. Masked the floor as well. See how that goes. I'll probably sprinkle the floor with water as well, wet the paper a bit. Not drench it, just lightly put a bit of water down. Yeah, sunroof as well, doing inside the aperture of that. Yeah, it's going diamond white in 2K direct gloss with just a coat of lacquer over the top. Paint all supplied by Meeper. Shout out to them because they're legends. So that on there is the 4+1 Meeper primer, which is brilliant. You can use it as wet on wet as well. Yeah, so there it is. I'll put pictures up with other bits I've done to it. Out here we've got the tailgate, boot lid, whatever you want to call it. A lot of you are going to say, oh, why don't you take the spoiler off, blah blah blah. I couldn't get it off. Tried my hardest, undone the screws that clip it on there. Tried wire, tried nylon thread, just couldn't get it off. I don't know what they bonded it on with. But we'll see how it come out, should be alright. Primed up alright, managed to get primer everywhere, so yeah, we'll see. So yeah, tomorrow I'll set up a camera in the booth tomorrow so you can see me painting it. I'll film the painting process. But yeah, see the finished product tomorrow.